Hey there, my name's Dan Tibma with Tibma Design Build. We're home remodelers in the Needham area, and we work with people who like where they live and they like their homes, and we help them transform it into something they really love. And a big part of that oftentimes is the kitchen. And I'm over the top about induction cooking. You go into the appliance showroom and the people always ask, will my pots and pans work with this induction cooking? And the salesperson says, geez, you just take a magnet, you stick it to it. If it's magnetic, it's going to be all fine. Well, I get told stuff all the time. So I thought I'd do a little deeper dive into this. As I explain further, I want you to watch our time-stamp test between these two pots. So we did 9 different pots. We did this enameled cast iron, a cast iron, this enameled steel, and then 6 different saucepans between 2.5, 3 quarts each. And this guy ended up being the best. I tested them all, and they boiled 32 ounces of water between 2 and 2.5 minutes, except for one of them. And this one was the best. It came to boil the fastest, and it also had a really great boil pattern. And second place actually was my 15-year-old Farberware. So, you know what, if you go out looking for pots and pans, I wouldn't be going and breaking the bank. This $15 IKEA did pretty darn good. So what was really surprising, and you'll see in this timestamp here, is this all-clad HA1 took 5.5 minutes for it to come to boil. I can't explain it, but you can't go wrong with most pots and pans, and I don't know why this one doesn't really work. If you need any more information or you want to talk to us, get on our website at tibmadesignbuild.com. Thank you very much. Good talking to you.